So here we are. The puppies are 6 weeks old and they are getting their first real chicken with bone meal and they're grooving on it. Here's Dazzle and Infinity. Getting raw chicken pieces with the bone. There is Libby enjoying her meal. And Harmony. You can see how they absolutely love this. And we get a couple pups hiding under here. Yeah. They're just grooving on it big time. Okay, Sparky, come and get some more. Here, Sparky. I know. Okay, all right. Here's yours. Sparky, here. Right here. There we go. Sorry about that. That's what little puppies do. And so, good job. And then Angel's over here all by herself. She's just chewing down on that chicken. Hi, sweetheart. That's like really good stuff, isn't it? Oh, she has the most beautiful face. Don't you? You're almost done. And then Jubilee is way over here in the deck. Way over here. Hi, Jubilee. Yeah, we got a couple of bees too. Little ones. Wow, guys. It's a puppy feast here for sure. Come and get some more, Dazzle. Yep, raw chicken. Those little teeth, just cut it up, chew it up, and swallow. Do a little prey shake. Yeah, we're gonna have a little fight here. Come on, Glimmer! Come on, Glimmer! Here. Glimmer, here's one for you. Here. Right here. Good boy. There you go. So that's our first feeding with the bone. Success.